Hi everyone, I'm Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome to our channel. As you guys know, here at La Bella Pasta, it's always pasta o'clock. So today's video, we're gonna make baked seafood noodles made with some fresh pasta. Check this out. Woo! I absolutely adore this dish. It's called baked seafood, but we are not baking anything actually. We're gonna cook the pasta in a tomato sauce with onions, bell peppers, crushed tomatoes, salt and pepper, olive oil, garlic. It's just like create a sauce, a base sauce when you make paella. And then we're gonna add fish and shrimps and clams. It's pretty much like a paella, but instead of rice, we're gonna use noodles. And here we're gonna use fresh noodles. I made this spaghetti yesterday just for the video today. So you can imagine, we're gonna cook this pasta and the sauce that we're gonna make with all of these goodies over here, and it's gonna be fantastic. Visit our website labellapasta.net, sign up for a class with us. If you haven't done any fresh pasta class before, you don't know what you are missing. You're gonna get hooked and it's gonna be a fun experience. I hope to see you soon in one of our classes, okay? So let's get started to this dish. We're gonna use codfish for this. Any white firm fish will do it. You can use halibut, you can use mahi-mahi, even sea bass. But my favorite for dishes like this is cod, fresh cod. Shrimp is already peeled and deveined, and clams are already washed. So to the pan, I'm gonna add a drizzle of olive oil, and I'm gonna start by sauteing the bell peppers. I'm gonna remove the bell peppers because I don't want them to get mushy in the sauce. So I will bring them back at the end of the dish. We're gonna come with the onions. I'm using garlic paste, but you can definitely add some minced garlic. We have a video showing how to make garlic paste. Don't forget to check it out. Some salt, pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, and I'm adding some saffron salt. Saffron is a very important ingredient in this dish. So if you don't have saffron salt, which is something actually that I make at home, I will make a video about it. Use saffron threads. Now to this, we bring some white wine. Fresh lemon juice. Crushed tomatoes. And chicken broth. You can also use fish broth if you have it. We're gonna let this cook for a few minutes until it starts simmering a little bit. Next step, we're gonna come with the seafood. This dish, as I told you, we're gonna use fresh pasta. Fresh pasta cooks very fast. But if you're gonna use dry pasta, store-bought dry pasta, I recommend spaghetti, and you're gonna break them the same way I'm gonna break my fresh pasta. But this is the time to add the pasta first, because it's gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook the pasta, and then you come with the seafood. I'm gonna add everything at once because, again, fresh pasta cooks very fast, okay? I'm gonna start with the seafood, so I'm gonna start with the cod. The sauce has seasoning enough, so we don't need to season the fish. Make sure that it's simmering, okay? Because you cannot cook too fast. So I'm gonna break this because it's easier to eat later. I'm gonna add the shrimp. Doesn't look like a paella. And the clams. Remember, guys, if any of this doesn't open, throw it away. Are opening, the sauce is getting inside. It smells amazing. Opening. Almost done. This is also open. Ooh, this is a big one. Almost done. This is it. It's ready. Now we bring back the peppers. You can use any color that you like or you prefer. I happen to have this one here today, so I'm using this. Finish, you know, fresh basil as usual. I have no words to tell you how bad I want to dig in this dish right now. So this is it, a beautiful dish that if we were in Brazil, I would be making this for Easter. We like to eat codfish for Easter in Brazil is a tradition from Portugal. And but in Brazil we eat most of the time salted cod. Not one of my favorites. I would eat it anyway, but I prefer fresh cod. So there is another option if you never had fresh cod for Easter. You should give it a try, or any other time. Make this dish. Let us know your comments in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. I hope you enjoy, because I am digging in right now. See you next time, guys. See you next, guys. You know what's happening? I want to eat this thing. So let's finish this video. Now for real. See you guys next time. Bye.